Room tour. I've always wanted to make one of these videos, so let's hop right into it. So this is the entryway right when you walk in. A quick little overview of my room. When I began decorating it, I really wanted a fun nature room because my room before this room had no windows and it was just super dark. So here's my bed. It ended up being a lot girlier than my typical overall style is, but I really love animals and I incorporated a lot of animals into my room. This cute little deer head. I've got these mirrors. I actually stained the ones myself on the right. They were my grandmother's, so it was really cool to bring those back to life. Over here I hung up some photos I shot myself. I've been really into photography lately, specifically shooting animals, so I thought this would be a cute little addition to add to the corner of my room. And here's my bedside table. It's pretty boring, but I spruced it up with some cute books. Here's this really cute mirror I picked up from Urban Outfitters, and again, I love animals. Here are some oil paintings I've done. Got the giraffe, got the alligator on top. This cute little cow. It was my first ever animal oil painting. And then I just have a ton of knickknacks. I love a good knickknack. I'm a total hoarder for a knickknack. Little Mary Jane leaf I pressed. This is a model car my granddad did. Super cool. And another painting I'm working on. I think like my obsession with fruits is the reason why this room turned out like super girly, but clothing hamper has all my purses in it. So cool for hiding them. Got all these rugs from Five Below, some more knickknacks, another painting I did, some just random photo albums, really cool piggy bank, and yeah, just some more art. That reminded me of my dog that just passed away. And we got some more paintings. Did I mention my love for knickknacks? Yeah, a bunch of knickknacks, some jewelry. How cute is my jewelry organizer? I got some more photos I did here. This cute little raccoon that's been visiting my porch every night, dumping over my trash can. Some dried flowers. Some photos of my family, shout out fam. Lots of travel size perfumes. They're like the only thing I buy. Lots of Hello Kitty. I don't know if I'm gonna put Hello Kitty in my next room. Might go for more of like a rock star theme. How cool is that Monopoly palette? Oh my god, super obsessed with Monopoly makeup. I don't know. Okay, we got some albums. A little stack of magazines. This is like my little rock star corner. Alright, this is my book corner. I got a lot of Stephen King books handed down from my uncle that passed away. Yeah, just a little overview of my books, couple ukuleles in the corner, got my keyboard. Alright, this is like my little clothing area for just like stuff I want to throw on really quickly. It's not like my official closet. Those are the handbags I'm currently using. These are just like the shoes I want to have on display at the moment, like the stars of the show. Got another little end table here with my favorite chicken painting on it. Hi! This is my full body mirror. I love it so much. I got this bad boy on Amazon. Couple cute little decorations. Got some more paintings, some more knickknacks here. And yeah, this is my desk. Quick little overview of my desk. This is where I do my makeup. I film a lot of my TikTok videos here. Yeah, honestly, looking at it now, it's just a big ADHD mess. But yeah, I got a lot of my makeup palettes above my desk. I love these food palettes by Glamlight. I also really love The Simpsons and horror, so I got a couple of those themed palettes sprinkled around my room. Here are some photos I also photographed and a couple more paintings. Okay, how cute is my little desk? Okay, right here is my ottoman. I've got my journal on top and a couple of magazines I've been in because I model and just really like to keep the print presses I've been published into. Here is just some more like nail polish, or just beauty supplies, palettes, just cute little knickknacks. Again, I really love knickknacks. Over here is like my little plant corner. This cute little butterfly ashtray was my mom's. Love it so much. I got some Lego flowers over there, some more paintings, lots of rocks I've collected over the years. Just a nice little hint of greenery and lots of just like pop culture things. This is also like my Funko Pop corner. Got another corner for some random jewelry, some more plants, another chicken. And yeah, honestly, just way too much junk that ended up rotting in storage. Do you guys remember that TikTok trend, that little purse? And here's my little walk-in closet. Right now I have nothing in it because I'm moving. And just a little overview of my jewelry box. It's super unorganized. Haagen-Dazs coupon. Gonna go use that later. Oh, why did I show all these messy drawers? Okay, $100 bill. And then up here, my photo albums, I got a little Pokemon card collection going. So cute. And here's just some more close-ups. This cute little mushroom stool I got from Urban Outfitters. And this is like my clothes room. All my shoes, my backdrop for taking Depop photos. This is how I organize my clothes, like with a tool bench. This is like my purse collection, my holy grail. I miss all my purses so much. They're literally rotting in storage, like I said. But yeah, I love my purses so much. I miss them. They're so cute. And I just miss being able to walk into this room and see everything on display. Again, I just really miss having everything on display, especially my shoes. I only have like 5 pairs with me now that I'm homeless. But yeah, here's a little magazine I was in, and just a bunch of knickknacks. Again, I got some hair bows. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching my room tour, and stay tuned for future videos.